Let's talk about climate change. We officially started keeping temperature records in 1880. Since then, we have 135 years of data. If you stack those years in order of coldest to warmest, the 16 hottest years have been in the last 17 years. Want to know when the hottest year on record is? 2015. The previous hottest was 2014. How badly did 2015 beat 2014? Well, last year was a full 1.62 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than the average year, and that was a full 20% warmer than any previous year. Climate change is happening, and it has many causes, but one reigns supreme above them all. What's on the end of your fork matters more than the car you drive. Go vegan for planet Earth. We can't keep stacking years on top of the pile. In case you missed the headlines yesterday, there was some big news about vegetarian diets floating around the internet. New research has just shown that, believe it or not, a vegetarian diet is actually worse for the environment than a meat-eating diet. This new study flies in the face of conventional wisdom, and not to mention an entire body of research showing the opposite, that vegan and vegetarian diets are better for the environment.